Do you find yourself facing the daunting task of probate or inheriting a home? Are you unsure of how to handle the financial obligations of the inherited property and the items left inside? Probate Series video number 4. The process can be overwhelming and emotional, but you don't have to go through it alone. As an experienced real estate agent at Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty, I understand the challenges that come with probate and inherited homes. It's important to know that if there is a mortgage attached to the property, you're responsible for making the mortgage payments and any property taxes or past due amounts. Furthermore, any HOA or POA fees and monthly utilities should also be considered. Dealing with the contents left inside the home can be equally difficult. You'll have to decide what items to keep, donate, or sell. If you choose to sell, repairs may be necessary to bring the home up to current market values. Hiring contractors can be expensive, so selling as is may be a better option. Renting the property is also a possibility for future income, but being a landlord requires careful consideration and research. Navigating the probate process or inheriting the house is not easy, but I can help guide you through it. I'm here to answer any questions you may have and provide some expert advice on how best to handle the situation. Trust me to help make the process as smooth as possible. Contact me anytime to get the support that you need. Thank you for watching this video on Westy LaPlante with Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty, helping families one home at a time.